How to apply multiple transitions in between clips in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline and I want to add multiple transitions in between them. Go to the Effects panel and click on Video Transitions. Here find the transition you want to apply. I use a rotate for now. Drag and drop rotate transition in between your clips. Now the first transition is applied, let's add more transitions. Move the playhead in between your clips. Select both clips and transition, right-click on one of them, and click New Compound Clip. Name the compound clip to the name of the transition so it will be more clear. Here I enter Rotate. Press Ctrl+B to add a cut at the playhead position. Drag and drop zoom in and out in the cut. Once again move the playhead in between your clips and create a compound clip from the clips. Press Ctrl+B to add a cut. Drag and drop the drop warp in the cut. Do this process and add as many transitions as you want in between your clips. The good thing about this method is that you can change any of these transitions at any time. So if I wanted to change the rotate transition, I could right-click on it and select Open in Timeline. Then instead of the rotate transition, I can use another transition. Now if I open my original timeline, the rotate has changed to flip 3D transition. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.